This is an initiative from central government. Since AI is evolving, right? So everyone is using AI, so make sure that everyone is using AI properly. And it is a 4.5 hours self placed. That means that it is a recorded one, and it's a 100% free. The course name is YUVA AI for all. And we'll see the course highlights from here. Official page, it's a 4 hours 30 minutes. Here they mention that certificate and no, but here you can notice that learners can earn a government of India certificate. So this is officially posted. Here they are saying that certificate and no. All right, let's focus on the modules. There are actually there are 6 modules are there. Module 1, they'll tell that what is the AI. Module 2, what is the technology behind the AI. And 3, learning and how we are going to create it, how we are going to use it. So basically using artificial intelligence to learn to and create. So basically we are going to use the generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Notebook LM. So I have created all these tutorials in our channel. Please watch if you want to look into it. But those are in Telugu. And module 4 is artificial intelligence to think and plan. Basically how we are going to create our projects, solve problems. And module 5 is what are the things we have to follow. So basically, right, everywhere guidelines will be there. So we should not use AI for non-ethical things. For example, you're doing something using AI, just mention that credits to the AI. And the final module is future of intelligence, what is going to happen, and they're going to recap everything. Why you have to learn this? Use AI for everyday task. AI is important for everyone, either a student, a homemaker, or going to office, or non-tech people, whoever it is. AI is must. Who can participate here? As I mentioned, everyone can participate here. All right, guys, that's it overall. See the login process. Click on enroll. Just give your Gmail ID. Continue. Make sure that your name is correct as per your Aadhaar card. Give your mobile number. Send OTP. Validate OTP. These options are there. Career aspirant. If you are a student, select the career aspirant. And if you are a government employee, PSC employee, like a non-IT employee and a private job, you just select that. If you are a IT employee, just select the IT employee. All right. Select your respective graduation. I selected. Okay. Year of passing. You just select your year of passing. Indian citizen. Okay, we'll select this optional, but that's fine. Stream of study, computer science. This you can leave. Anyway, it is optional. Click on submit. Pin code. I'm just entering pin code. Wow, once you enter pin code, all the details will be automatically will be populated here. Suppose your college is not found, then you just select the other, then enter your college name. Okay, we're done. Submit. Saved. All right, once I complete this course, I'll let you know how is it. Until then, see you.